can't afford the gas. Most Americans are singing that tune these days, but would you pay even more at the pump, and I mean a lot more, if that would help battle global warming? They're talking about a gas tax in Washington. We wondered what people might think about that.
How much more would you pay to save the planet? Well, if you're like most Americans, the answer is not much.
Well, I don't want to pay more. I don't think anyone wants to.
Now, a majority of us say we support policies to curb global warming. But when it comes to paying more for gas to fund those programs, a new poll shows little support. 48% say they wouldn't pay a penny more for gas to reduce carbon emissions, while only 8% say they'd pay $1 or more per gallon.
Who's making the money from all of this, and where is that money going?
A lot of Americans have things exactly upside down in their mind. They think that by making a minimal contribution, minimal sacrifice, they can get a huge reduction in greenhouse gas emissions.
But government research shows even a maximum sacrifice would have minimal impact. According to the EPA, if all Americans abandoned their cars tomorrow, global greenhouse gas emissions would fall by less than 1%. Still, environmentalists insist that as the world's largest polluter, we have a duty to act.
A tax on gasoline as a way of both reducing our dependence on imported oil, reducing traffic congestion, and also reducing carbon emissions.
In Europe, where gas taxes work out to nearly $4 a gallon, demand has not been substantially reduced. Now, here's the idea behind the huge tax hike. By paying more at the pump, consumers would drive less, thereby reducing pollution. That's the thinking. Here's the flaw. For most consumers, driving is not a luxury, it's a necessity. And the only real impact of sky-high prices is leaving consumers with less money in their pocket. In Los Angeles, Jeunesse, Fox News.